How to create an account on Amazon Web Services, also called AWS. Visit AWS website, navigate to the Amazon Web Services website, and click on the Sign Up button or create an AWS account. Fill in your email address and choose a password and enter your account name. Input your contact details, including your full name and company name if applicable, and of course your phone number. Verify your identity. AWS may require additional verification steps, such as providing credit card information or phone verification. Select a support plan that meets your needs, whether it's basic support or a higher tier plan. Review and accept the terms of service and AWS customer agreement. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the registration process. And by following these steps, you've successfully created an account on Amazon Web Services. Congratulations on creating your account. You're now ready to explore AWS services and start building your applications in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.